simple equations. So simple equations before what is equation? Which one you are called equations? వేటిని ఈక్వేషన్స్ అని పిలవాలి అంటే ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ you learn the terms of constant and variable. What are the constants? First, before that equation, first to learn the two terms. That two terms already we learned in the previous class. Means sixth class already we learned the some topics of constants and variables. సిక్స్త్ క్లాస్లో మీరు ఆల్రెడీ నేర్చుకున్నారన్న కాన్స్టెంట్స్ ఏంటి వేరియబుల్స్ అనేటివి ఏంటి ఆల్రెడీ మీరు తెలుసుకున్నారు. సో వన్స్ అగైన్ ఐఎమ్ రికాలింగ్ హియర్ వాట్ ఆర్ ద కాన్స్టెంట్ మీన్స్ దిస్ ఈజ్ ఎ ఫిక్స్డ్ వాల్యూస్. దెర్ ఈస్ నో వాల్యూస్ ఫర్ కాన్స్టెంట్స్. దీస్ ఆర్ having the some fixed values. Sir, what are the fixed values means you take any numerical values. You have to take any numerical values that are fixed values. Maybe either negative numbers or positive numbers, whatever it is. In that fractional numbers, decimal numbers, you are wish to take any numbers, but that all numerical values are called constants here. So, for example, 10 rupees. 10 rupees is a numerical value. 10 rupees is a constant. 10 rupees ni, for example, మీరు షాప్లోకి వెళ్ళారు, షాప్కి వెళ్ళి చేంజ్ అడిగారు. I want 10 rupees of change. So, shop owner or shopkeeper are giving 10 rupees change for you. A 10 rupees change అనేది maybe it is in the form of 5 plus 5 means 10 rupees. 2 5 rupees కాన్స్ ఇవ్వచ్చు 10 rupees. 1 rupee 1 rupee 1 rupee 10 1 rupee కాన్స్ ఇవ్వచ్చు. That is also 10 rupees. Whatever it is you are getting the final result is 10 rupees only. Not exactly 10 rupees. Whatever it is. మీరు ఏ న్యూమరికల్ వాల్యూ తీసుకున్నా దట్ ఈస్ ద సమ్ ఆఫ్ ఎనీ అనదర్ నెంబర్. అంటే ఫైనల్గా మనకు వచ్చే రిజల్ట్ అంతే ఉంటుంది. కాన్స్టెంట్ ఈజ్ ఏ కాన్స్టెంట్. ఇన్ దట్ వేరియబుల్స్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఎ ఫిక్స్డ్ వాల్యూస్. ఫిక్స్డ్గా ఉండవు అనమాట. ఇట్ విల్ బి చేంజెస్ సో మెనీ టైమ్స్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇన్ దట్ మై పాకెట్ హ్యావ్ సమ్ మనీ. ఫర్ దట్ మనీ ఐ పర్చేస్ 2 pens. వై బికాస్ ఐ హ్యావ్ 20 rupees. ఓకేనా 10 rupees 2 pens తీసుకున్నాను. బట్ ఏమవుతుంది అక్కడ ఓన్లీ 2 pens వస్తున్నాయి. అదే 5 rupees పెన్స్ తీసుకున్నాను అనుకుందాం 4 rupees వస్తుంది. అంటే పెన్స్ విల్ బి చేంజ్డ్. 2 pens వస్తాయి, ఇక్కడ 4 pens వస్తాయి. ఇంకా 2 rupees కాస్ట్ తీసుకుంటే ఇంకా యు ఆర్ గెటింగ్ ద మోర్ పెన్స్. సో ద లైక్ దట్ విచ్ వన్ ఆర్ చేంజ్డ్ సో మెనీ టైమ్స్ దట్ థింగ్స్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ వేరియబుల్స్. చేంజ్ కాకుండా ఫిక్స్డ్గా ఉండే వాటిని వేరియబుల్స్ కాన్స్టెంట్స్ అంటున్నాము. ఫిక్స్డ్గా ఉండే వాటిని కాన్స్టెంట్స్ అంటున్నాము. విచ్ వాల్యూస్ ఆర్ చేంజ్డ్ దట్ వాల్యూస్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ వేరియబుల్స్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ యూ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు ద ఆల్జిబ్రిక్ టర్మ్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఆల్జిబ్రిక్ టర్మ్ మీన్స్ algebraic term is collection of variables and constants. ఓకేనా ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నేను తీసుకునే వాల్యూ 2x. See this 2 is a numerical value, x is a variable. సార్ వేరియబుల్స్ అంటే ఏంటి సార్ అంటే ఫిక్స్డ్ వాల్యూస్ ఉండవన్నమాట. Maybe you are taking the any small letters. These variables are denoted by small letters, A to Z small letters. That are small a, small b, small c up to z, x, y, z. So here I am taking 2. One is a constant. Constant means this is a numerical value. Constant means numerical value. So one constant is there, one variable is there. Then collection of variables and constants are called algebraic term. Is it clear? Collection. For example, I am writing 4x square. Yes, it is also algebraic term. Why? Because it is a one numerical value, one variable. Otherwise, I am taking x by 2. It is also numerical value and constant. Constant and variable. Then I am taking only 2. I am taking only 2. It is the algebraic term. Why? The collection of variables and constants are called only algebraic terms, but there are only two. Two means that is the only numerical value. Numerical value means that is the constant. Equation. What is equation means? An equation has an equal sign. Okay? Equal to symbol is there means that is the equal to. In this, for example, I am taking 2x is equal to 9. So in this expression equal to symbol is there. Then it is the equal to. Then it is a equation. Then it is a equation. Every equation has a two parts. That is LHS and RHS. Left side and side ఉండేవన్నీ కూడా left hand side LHS గా తీసుకోవాలి. అంటే in this what is LHS? It is the LHS and it is the RHS. Otherwise you can write it is a 2x is equal to LHS and 9 is equal to RHS. Okay now, equal to symbol is there means that is the equation. In that every equation has in the two parts, that is LHS and RHS. Equal to left side లో ఉండేటివన్నీ కూడా left hand side means LHS. Yeah, in this LHS is what 2x and equal to outside అంటే right side లో ఉంది అంటే RHS. This is the LHS and it is the RHS values. Is it clear? In this section we will learn about the types of methods are there. In the two types of methods, one is a trial method, another one is error method. So it is trial method means it is some log, but you have some confidence to find out the values of given equations. And it is error method also one of the method. In that method you are getting the answer in within 2-3 steps. It is some long but some easy. It is also easy, but how much it is a difficult means if you are doing some hard work means you are getting the this method also some easy part. So let us start one. I am taking one method, that is I am taking 2x is equal to 5 is there. 2x is equal to 5 is there. Here also I am taking the same question. 2x is equal to 5. I am solve this problem by in this method and in this method also. So this method, first to choose the value of x is equal to 1. Alphabetical letters, it's showing that these are not a fixed values, means that all small letters of A to Z, all letters are giving not a fixed values. That values are changed always, that are not constant values. Then that the reason I am taking x is equal to I am taking 1. That question there are not mentioned the x is equal to 1 anywhere. So you are taking 1. Why means you are wish to take any values, not exactly 1. You are wish to take 10, 11, 10, 100, 1000, 2000, lakh. You are wish to take any one value and substitute the value in the text. You are getting the this RHS value. In that first bit what now? 2x is equal to 5. In this is equal to left side part is LHS and is equal to right side terms are called RHS values. Then it is 2x is equal to 5. I am taking this x is equal to 1 in LHS part. Where is x? Substitute 1. This bracket indicates into. Already you know the meaning. 2 1s are 2. You want to get the 5. So it is not satisfied. Then I am taking x is equal to 2. Then substitute 2 into in that x plus 2 I am substituting 2 2s are 4. It is also not satisfied. So if for example I am taking 10 here. Here I am taking x is equal to 3 means 2 into 3 is it 6. You are not getting the 10. Like that too I am taking x is equal to 4. 2 into 4 is equal to you are getting 8. It is also not possible. Then I am taking x is equal to 5. 2 into 5 that is equal to 10. Here you are getting the RHS value. Then what is the value of x? 5. Therefore x is equal to 5 is satisfy the condition. When you are getting the RHS part, which number is satisfying the RHS part, that is your answer. See this here also I am taking 10 here. 2x is equal to 10. Same problem here also I am taking. But only here it is a long process. But it is here you are getting the only single step. 2x is equal to 10 and x is equal to 10 by 2. So why are taking this into by 2 means in that LHS part multiplication means you are sending that number in the right hand side means multiplication becomes division. Division is there that becomes into. Plus is there that you are transformation to RHS side that becomes plus becomes minus. Minus becomes plus. This is the logic, no? Multiplication becomes into and plus becomes minus, minus becomes a plus. This is the logic. Then it is the 2 into x, 2x multiplication. That's the reason. Division multiplication becomes into. Then cancel this. 2 table 10. 2 1s are 2 5s are. Then x is equal to 5. See this? You are getting the same answer here and here, but it is you are getting the long process and here you are getting the when they two one or two steps to complete the solution. Is it clear? We are taking the values of a variable. It is suitable for your RHS or not. Just you are checking. Trial means trial అది మనం డ్రెస్సెస్ కొనేటప్పుడు ఎట్లా ట్రయల్ చేసుకుంటామో అది కూడా అంతే అనమాట సింపుల్ లాగా సో హియర్ in the previous problem there is a x is a y then I am taking y is equal to 1 first I am taking that to y is equal to 1 then 2 plus 1 you are getting 3 it is not satisfied then I am taking y is equal to 2 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 it is also not satisfied until you are getting the 7 వచ్చే వరకు చెక్ చేసుకోండి y ప్లేస్ లో you substitute 1 2 3 4 5 until you are getting the 7 then 2 also completed then y is equal to 3 then 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 it is also not. Next y is equal to 4 I am taking here then 2 plus 4 is equal to 6 it is also not satisfied then I am taking y is equal to 5 then 2 plus 5 is equal to 7 it satisfies the condition 7 you are getting C you are getting the 7 yes therefore what is the value of y this value is satisfied by 5 is the value of y and I am checking in error method you have to take the question 2y plus 7 2 plus y is equal to 7 in that వేరియబుల్స్ ఆర్ వన్ సైడ్ వేరియబుల్స్ అంటే మనకున్న లెటర్స్ ఏ టు జెడ్ లెటర్స్ అన్ని కూడా వన్ సైడ్ పెట్టుకోవాలి మీన్స్ వన్ సైడ్ మీన్స్ ఐదర్ ఇన్ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ ఐదర్ ఇన్ రైట్ సైడ్ ఓకేనా ఉంటే లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ లో పెట్టుకోవాలి లేదంటే రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ లో పెట్టుకోవాలి మీ ఇష్టం ఎట్లా పెట్టుకోవచ్చు దెన్ ఐఎమ్ కీపింగ్ హియర్ ఓన్లీ జస్ట్ న్యూమరికల్ వాల్యూ ఈ న్యూమరికల్ వాల్యూ దగ్గరికి పంపించేది y is equal to 7 this plus 2 becomes minus 2 already చెప్పాను కదా plus means becomes minus ఉంటే plus అవుతుంది into becomes division becomes into then y is equal to 7 minus 2 how much y is equal to 5 see this you are getting the same answers so take the complete solution in trial method and error method so this question also I am doing in trial method first one is trial method in the trial method I am taking what is the variable m is equal to 1 I am substituting the 1 here first then what you get now 5 into 1 5 it is not satisfied then I am taking 2 5 2 is 10 it is also not satisfied 5 3 is 15 yes you are getting the 15 here then which value it is satisfied x is equal to 3 means m is equal to 3 it is satisfied m is equal to 3 like that you have to take error method also in that error method 5m is equal to 15 see this 5 into m into becomes division then m is equal to 15 by 5 5 and the 5 3 job then what is the answer m is equal to 3 x plus 8 is equal to 5x plus 2. 5y plus 10 is equal to 4y minus 10. Then 3x plus 8 is equal to 5x plus 2. Then 5y plus 10 is equal to 4y minus 10. For this problem, what to do means, send that all variables are one side. వేరియబుల్స్ అన్ని కూడా ఒక సైడ్ పెట్టాలి, న్యూమరికల్ వాల్యూస్ అన్ని కూడా ఇంకొక సైడ్ పెట్టేసా. 3x is 5x in right hand side. Right hand side లో ఇది ప్లస్ లో ఉంది. Then you can send this one into left hand side. It becomes minus 5x. 3x ఈ 5x అక్కడ తీసుకెళ్ళిపోతున్నాము, ఏమవుతుంది మైనస్ లోకి వస్తుంది. Then 2 is as this 2, but you are sending this plus 8. This plus 8, it become 2 minus 8. Okay, see this, all variables are one side, numerical values are one side. Then do the subtraction now. 5 minus 3, how much? 2x. But which one is the biggest? 5. 5 is the biggest. In that biggest value as minus, then you keep minus here. Then here also 8 minus 2, how much? 6. And which is the biggest one? 2. Which is the biggest? 8. 8 is negative number. Then you can write minus. Then already I said no, variables into number is there means that will be divided. Minus 6 by minus 2. Then minus can. This is the answer. There is no trial error method. Just transporting the values under కాబట్టి just you can transport the values. Then see the sixth one. Here also 5y and 4y. Send this 4y into left hand side. It is plus, that will become so minus. Then 5y, I am sending this 4y minus 4y minus 10 only there. You are sending this plus 10 also right hand side, that will become also minus 10. Plus 10 ఉంది, మీరు అక్కడ పంపిస్తే అవుతుంది మళ్ళీ minus 10 అవుతుంది. Then simplify. 5 minus 4, how much? Only 1. Why? Which is the biggest? 5 is the biggest. Then it has plus symbol. Then you keep plus symbol only. Then both having the negative numbers. Both means 20 minus 20. Therefore, y is equal to minus 20. This is the one answer. All got it? So, what are the variables and what are the numbers? It is a variable. Send this 6 cut down. Q is equal to, you are sending Q there. Then 10 and you are sending 6 minus 6. Then 10 minus 6 how much? 4. Q is equal to 4. Then this one 2t minus 5. Then 2t variable here only is this number to this number. 3 is minus 5 becomes plus 5. Then 2t is equal to 3 plus 5 how much? 8. Then it is multiplication. Multiplication becomes into. Sorry, multiplication becomes division. Then t is equal to 8 by 2. 2 1 ja 2 4 ja. Then t is equal to 4. Are you got it now? First question. That spoon symbol gives the upper part is 15 and down part is given x plus 11. So total is it is a 15, but it is, how can you solve this? 15. It is also number. Send the all numbers are one side. X is equal to what? 4. It is the answer. 13 and this place 8 becomes minus 8. Then y is equal to how much? 5 only. Then y is equal to 5. Let the number. One is added to get 49. If you are added to 7 to that particular number, you are getting the 49. Then 2x twice of a number, you can add the 7 is equal to, you are getting the 49. Again, what to do here? All variables are one side and numerical values are one side. So 2x is equal to 49 minus 7. How much is this? 49 minus 7. 2x is equal to 35. is what? 42. Then x is equal to what? 42 by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are and 2 ones are. Then x is equal to 21. Are you got it now? Number is x. Okay? You are taking the number is x here. That number, see the question? Twice the number. A number name is double jar. Twice the number. Twice the number. Means x plus x is 2x. Double jar. Okay na? Then we add 7. Then we add 7. 7 add here. Then take 2x. 2x plus 7. That question only given there. Then we get what you get? 49 you are getting. Then 49. See this? You are getting one equation. In that equation, already you know all numerical values are one side, variables are one side. Then 2x is equal to 49 plus 7 becomes minus 7. Then 2x is equal to 42 only. Yesterday already learned it is the multiplication. Multiplication means you are sending to the right side means that will be division. X is equal to 42 by 2. 2 table 2 1 are 2. Yeah, 2 2 are 4 and 2 1 are 2. Then x is equal to what? Now, you got it this? Again, you are taking the one number is x. 3 times. 3 times means you can do that number is 3 times. Then, let the number is equal to I am taking x 3 times 3x. Subtract from this number 2. You can do the subtraction. You are getting the 68. So numerical values are one side. 3x is equal to 68. It is minus 22. It becomes plus 22. 3x is equal to add this to 7, 8, 9, 90. Then x is equal to what? 90. It is 3x is multiplication. Then we are sending to RHS side. Then this will become division. 3 table 9. 3 3 is 9, 0. Then x is equal to what? 30. It is the answer for this. Is it clear? X here. Okay, now multiplied by 7. So first you don't know the number. Then how to take that number is x. Then you multiply by 7. Then what you get? 7 into x is equal to 7x. Reduced by 3. Reduced by 3 means reduced means subtraction. 7x minus 3. 7x minus 3. You are getting the 3. Then send this 3 there. 53. It is minus becomes plus 3. And 7x is equal to 56. And x is equal to what? 56 by 7. 7 1 jar, 7 8 jar. Then x is equal to 8. Is it clear now? In that figure, they are giving the length and breadth of the rectangle and given the perimeter also. What is the perimeter of rectangle? What is the perimeter of rectangle means? Not only rectangle, for any one. Perimeter of square, perimeter of triangle, perimeter of rectangle, perimeter of rhombus, perimeter of whatever it is. ఇంకేదైనా కావచ్చు. పెరిమీటర్ ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమని చెప్తే ఆల్ సైడ్స్ ని యాడ్ చేయాలి. ఉన్న సైడ్స్ అన్నిటిని కూడా యాడ్ చేస్తే మనకు వచ్చేదే పెరిమీటర్. హౌ మెనీ సైడ్స్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫిగర్? 4 sides are there. So it is the one side and it is the one side and it is in that rectangle. Opposite sides are equal. Okay now, already you know in that rectangle opposite sides are equal, but not all sides are equal. In case all sides are equal means that is a square. తెలుగులో చతురస్రం అంటాము. It is a rectangle. Why? Because opposite sides are equal. తెలుగులో మనం దీర్ఘ చతురస్రం అంటారు. సో opposite side also equal means it is also 4x plus 4. It is also x minus 4. Why? Because opposite sides are equal గా ఉంటాయి కాబట్టి then we are taking the same numbers in that opposite sides. Then perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle is 72 meters in the given question. In the question they are clearly mentioned 72 meters. Then perimeter of rectangle means you can add all things. First I am taking 5x plus 4 plus x minus 4 plus 5x plus 4 plus one more side x minus 4. This total is equal to 72 meters. Perimeter. Perimeter means you can add that all sides, not only rectangle, in that square or rhombus or triangle, whatever it is, you can that all sides. When you are adding that all sides, what you are getting that result is known as a perimeter. చుట్టూ కొలత అంటారు తెలుగు. సో యాడ్ చేసినా ఎట్లా యాడ్ చేయాలి మరి ఇంత పెద్దగా ఉన్నాయి కదా అంటే add that all variables and add all numerical values. You can add all numerical values and you can add all variable parts. Then here 5x, I am writing all variables are one side. 5x plus x plus 5x plus x. I am writing all variables plus. Now I am taking the all numbers 4 minus 4 plus 4 and minus 4 is equal to 72. See this? Plus 4 minus 4 plus 4 minus 4 all cancel. You are getting the only variables. 5 and 1. Here also nothing is 1. 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 5 6 plus 5 7 8 9 10 11. 11 plus 1 12. 12 is equal to 72. 72. 12x. 12x is equal to 72. Already in the previous class we learned variables are there means here multiplication. Here nothing means there means that is the multiplication. If there is the multiplication is there, you are translated that numerical value into right hand side. That multiplication becomes division. Then x is equal to 72 by 12. In the 12 table 72. 12 ones are 12 6 are. Therefore x is equal to 6 and 1. X is equal to what you get? 6. But in their question, they are mentioned find the length and breadth of the rectangle. What is the length? X minus 4. Length is equal to x minus 4. Then substitute the value of x. What do you get the value of x? 6. 6 minus 4 is equal to 6 minus 4 2 meters. And breadth. What is the breadth? 5x plus 4. 5x plus 4. Then substitute the value of x. 6 plus 4. 6 y is 30 and plus 4 it will become 34 meters. Okay now? It is the length and breadth of the given rectangle. Is it clear? It is a rectangle. For this rectangle, length and breadth is not given there. Length is equal to x minus 4. Here also same opposite sides are equal. So it is also x minus 4 and it is also x. Then length is equal to x minus 4. Then perimeter of rectangle 84 meters in that question. In that question they are given 84 meters. Then what they are asking? Perimeter. Perimeter means you can add that all four sides. First x minus 4 plus x plus x minus 4 plus sorry it is okay just it is x is equal to 84 meters. Then what to do? First you can do all additions of the variables x, 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 x. How many x's? 4 x's minus 4 and minus 4 is equal to 84. Then 4x minus 4 becomes minus 8 is equal to 84. Next one, what is the step now? 84 means it minus 8 becomes plus 8. All numerical values are one side, variables are one side. Then 4x is equal to 84. It is minus becomes, it will be plus 8. Then 4x is equal to 92. 84 plus 8. 84 plus 8. How much? 92. 4 2 just still 1 is there. 4 3 just 12. Therefore, x is equal to 23. X is equal to 23. You are getting the value of x here. Then substitute the length and breadth. What is length? Breadth is equal to 23 and length is equal to x minus 4. X minus 4 means 23 minus 4. How much? 19 meters. Let the percentage of AMA is equal to, you have to take x after 15 years. What you get? X plus 15. Present is x here. After 15 years means plus 15. X plus 15. X is equal to 4x. And that all variables are one side. Then 4x minus x is equal to 15. Then it is 4 minus 1. 3x is equal to 15. Then x is equal to 15 by 3. 3 1s are 3 5s are. Then present age is 5 years. Total prices, 63 prices are there. In that 63 prices, they are spending the 3000 rupees. 3000 rupees ఉన్నాయి. ఆ 3000 rupees తోటి 63 prices కావాలి అని. 3000 rupees are there and you have to purchase the 63 prices. So all prices are equal means okay. You are taking the 3000 by 63. You are getting the each one. Two types of prices they are giving. Some prices are 100 rupees cost. కొన్ని ప్రైజెస్ ఏమి ఇస్తున్నారంటే 100 రూపీస్ కాస్ట్వి. ఇంకొక సెకండ్ క్వాలిటీ ఏమున్నాయంటే 25 రూపీస్ కాస్ట్ కూడా ప్రైజెస్ ఇస్తున్నారు. సమ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ 100 రూపీస్ ప్రైజెస్ అండ్ 25 రూపీస్ ప్రైజెస్, టూ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ ప్రైజెస్ దే ఆర్ పర్చేసింగ్. టోటల్ 100 రూపీస్వి 25 రూపీస్వి టోటల్ కలిపితే నాకు 63 ప్రైజెస్ కావాలి. పర్ ఇన్ దట్ 3000 రూపీస్ ఉంది. 3000 రూపీస్లోనే నాకు 100 రూపీస్ ప్రైజెస్ కావాలి and 25 rupees prices కూడా కావాలి. ఓకేనా? Let here two different things are there. That's the reason I am taking let the cost of 100 rupees cost prices, 100 rupees prices I am taking here x. ఓకేనా? Next let the cost of 25 rupees we 25 rupees prices here. So see here, if for example you are taking the two variables, in that two variables ఇది ఒక y అని తీసుకుంది. ఓకేనా? But you are solving in one single variable only, but I am taking for your understanding purpose I am taking two. 100 rupees cost of prices is I am taking x here. 25 rupees cost of prices is I am taking y. Then total prices is total prices is equal to how many? 63 prices are there. Which type of prices? 100 rupees cost and 63. So x plus y is equal to 63. Is I am taking equation number 1. For this one, for this I am solving the y value. Since this x is there, then you are getting the y is equal to 63 minus x. So in that question, from problem by problem, they are giving 100 rupees prices and 25 rupees prices. is equal to they are spending 3,000 rupees. If I prices total is equal to 3,000 rupees they are spending. For the two prices, ఇవేమో money అన్నమాట. Then y in y sub y is equal to 63 minus x in this equation. Then 100x plus 25. Here y is there. Then what is the y value? 63 minus x is equal to 3000. Then it is 100x multiply na 25 into 63. 25 into 63. 3 5 is 15. 3 2 is 6 7. And 6 5 is 30. And 6 2 is 12 and 15. 5 7 1 5. So 1575 minus 25x is equal to 3000 rupees. Now observe this Nana. Here variable, here it is also variable. Then what to do? All variables are one side and numerical values are one side. Then 100x minus 25x, it is 3000. It is a 1575. We send there. This is minus 1575. Then it is 75 only. 100 minus 25. Then how much it is? 15,000, 3,000 minus 1500. 1500 minus 75. 1425. X is equal to 1425 by 75. Cancel this 15 5 and 15 9 ja 135. 135 means 7 is there and 5 ja 5 1 ja 5 1 ja 5 5 9 ja. So x is equal to 19. Means what is x now? What is the value of x? That is 100 rupees prices. 100 rupees prices. Then 100 rupees prices is equal to 19 and 25 rupees prices. How much? 63 minus x. So 63 minus 19. How much now? 63 minus 19. 13 minus 9. 4. 5 minus 1. 44. Then it is 44 prices. Okay, 19 plus 44. You are getting the total is 63 prices. 100 rupees cost prices are 19. 20 rupees cost prices are 44 prices are there. The first part, two parts are divided. First part I am taking here x, and the second part what will get? The second part is 10 more than the first one. 10 more than means it is a plus. Then x plus 10. Then what is your first part? X plus 10 by x is equal to 5 by 3. So here equal to is there. Then do the cross multiplication. Cross multiplication. Then 3 into x plus 10 is equal to 5 into x. This is cross multiplication. 3x plus 30 is equal to 5x. Then 73. 30 is equal to 5x minus 3x. 5 minus 3 is 2x is equal to 30. Then what do you get now? X is equal to 30 by 2. Means it is a 15. Then x is equal to 15. X is equal to 15 means first part is equal to 15. What is the second part? 10 plus x. So 10 plus 15 is equal to 25. First part is 15 and second part is 25. Is it okay? Your number, that is x subtracted by 20. 20, and this is there minus 8. Then it is 5x minus x is 4x, and 20 minus 8. Sorry, it is a plus. It is 20 minus 8 is it 12. Then x is equal to 12 by 4. 4 1 ja, 4 3 ja. Then your number is 3. It is the positive of the answer of the question. Is it clear? Let the lowest marks and 7 plus 7. Twice the lowest marks and add plus 7. Lowest marks twice means 2. The lowest marks is x and plus 7 is equal to 87. Is equal to 87. Then simplify. How can you simplify this? All variables are one side. Only one variable is there. This is here only. All numbers are one side. So 87 and this plus 7 becomes minus 7, and 2x is equal to 87 minus 7 is 80, and x is equal to what now? 80 by 2 multiplication. Then it becomes division. 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja means x is equal to 40 marks. So lowest marks is equal to 40 marks. Okay, is it clear? Straight line. Straight line how much now? Straight angle is 180 degrees. Straight angle is 180 degrees. Then you can add this x plus 2x plus 3x is equal to 180. You get the one equation. Then simplify this. How can you simplify? All variables are one side. Numerical values are one side. Then these are all variables. Here nothing is 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. X is equal to 180. And x is equal to 180 by 6. 6 1 ja, 6 3 ja. Then x is equal to 30 degrees. And what is the second angle? 2x. 2 into 30 is equal to 60 degrees. And 3x means 3 into 30 degrees is equal to 90 degrees. Once you can add these three angles, you are getting the 180 degrees. Now it is clear? Let the number 2 times. 2 times means 2x. 2 times 36. Then 2x plus 36. And you can add 36 for that number. 2x plus 36 is equal to this 96. All numerical values are one side, means 96 minus 36. Then 2x is equal to 60 and x is equal to 30 by 2, means it is 30. Then 30. Your number is 30. Are you understood?